Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Um, I'm actually not at home in LA, but I'm actually in the Amalfi Coast. So I don't know how much I'm going to film. We arrived yesterday. Um, Honestly, we just went to dinner and today we've just been lounging around in our room in the hotel. But I am ready for dinner, and I thought I would just intro this vlog. Tomorrow we have a little nice boat day, so I figured I would film a little bit. So let me show you my outfit, and then I'll show you a little bit about the room and the view and all that stuff. And sorry about the mess. This is chaotic, guys. My bag is here. Okay, let me show you here. Yeah, there we go. All right. So this is the outfit. This is this old Zimmerman little dress that I love. It's very poofy, very beautiful. And shoe-wise, I'm wearing my Hermes rounds. And back-wise, I think I'm going to have this one. Honestly, I only brought 2 bags with me, so little Coco Chanel. And that's it. So let me show you guys the beautiful room that we have. So again, sorry about the mess. We are staying near Ravello in a town called Maiori. I just wanted like a more relaxed type of vibe, and just chill and enjoy, not have to run so much. Because in London, I don't know if you've seen my other vlog. We had some events and stuff, so I was not able to vlog a lot, but hopefully I vlogged a little bit. And yeah, which was a lot of fun. I love London, so yeah. Let me show you the video. So this is a room tour, and then we'll see how much I can film. I will film, because we're just enjoying time with my partner, and it's our vacation. So let me show you around. So let me again. My bag is crazy, but anyway. So you walk in. You have a nice big bed, a lot of Venetian, kind of like Italian accents. Again, very typical of, this area, the beautiful floors, and then the beautiful view. Amazing. And then this side. So this is kind of like what I wanted, was like a more authentic experience, just relaxing, not having to worry so much about things. So yeah, a lot of no makeup days. And then I'll show you guys outside, but here it's our kind of like terrace, and then you have a little like hot tub moment there. This is the bathroom, and sorry about the bikini drying, guys, but shower, blah blah blah, and then exit to the place that I showed you. So let me show you outside, but I hope you guys enjoy this little video showing you little snippets. I had to share it with you guys. It is actually my first time in this area. So yeah, very excited, and I hope you enjoy. Let me know in the comments down below what other place should I check here. And yeah, again, no makeup today, only a little bit of tinted lips, like lip balm. But yeah, welcome to the video. All right, guys, and this is the outside. You have this beautiful view. Stunning. And we come this way. we actually have been enjoying a little bit of um, a hot tub situation. And I'll leave the links down below because it's stunning. So here you have a little jacuzzi, and I love the tile, very authentic to the area. And yeah, you have a beautiful view. All right, guys, we arrived. Let me spin you around.